Welcome, everyone, to another episode of the Chuck Graham Show. We're going to talk about taxes today. Stay tuned. Welcome back. What I want to talk about today is the progressive side, especially AOC, the progressives trying to say that we need to raise taxes on the rich. You know, the top 1%, if we raise taxes, and it was at least 90% back in Eisenhower days, which was true. But what they don't tell you is the rich people never paid 90% because there was some god-awful deductions that you could take. Now, people probably would say, well, get rid of those deductions and put it at 90%, and it'll pay for all these social programs that these progressive Democrats want to implement. Well, in theory, yeah. France tried it, and all the people left. There was a mass exodus of business owners leaving. So, and it dropped as low during the Ronald Reagan. It started out, it was like 70%, and then it dropped down to where it stayed for quite a while. I think 37%. Leave me some comments if I've got that wrong. But anyway, Ronald Reagan, he reduced taxes. And it didn't really bring any more money in. The lower rates versus the higher rates, it relatively stayed the same. So this notion, like Bernie Sanders, well, the rich get richer and the poor get poorer, is simply a myth. It's just not true. The rich don't get richer and the poor get poorer when you lower taxes. Just look at the Trump economy now. He lowered taxes even more. What happened? Comcast gave their employees bonuses, and other companies did too. And so it put more money in the consumer's pocket, which means they spent more, which means it drives the economy. And that was the notion of Hillary Clinton's trickle-down economics, which is bullshit. It actually works. You let the American people do what the American people do best, and that is innovate, and that is have enough money to be able to expand, because rich people love to make money, and they can make money when they expand. You lower their taxes, they'll create jobs, and they'll make more money. Now, the bottom line is that lower taxes work. It brings in more revenue. And I guess under Trump's administration, so do tariffs. And I'm glad that the Trump administration has put the hurt on China for taking advantage of us for so many years. And we were losing, $600 billion a year in revenue because they expected us to do business with them, but them not do business with us. They could export all kinds of material over to us, but wouldn't accept a lot of our imports. So, no. So all I have to say about this notion that if you raise taxes, that it will somehow create this utopia to where the people or the business or the 1%ers, business owners, and the 1%ers will somehow be able to pay for all these high pie in the sky programs. No, what you'll do is you'll run your business people out of the country and they'll leave, and then you'll be stuck with a bunch of people with their hands out, and then your economy will crash. That's what'll happen. People will have no incentive to work because you've given them handouts, and business people will have no incentive to stay. So if you like the message, hit that subscribe button, notification bell. We'll notify you on the next video. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.